Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota MX5200 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a front quick attach loader on it. Has the Kubota LA1065 front loader. Loader is quick attach. The bucket itself also is quick attach with the skid steer style hookup. Tractor has 54 horsepower. And a couple scuffs on top of the hood. Overall, it is a nice clean tractor. Has approximately, I believe it's 450 or 470 on the hours. Does have a canopy top. The canopy top does have some damage. Looked like it backed in some tree limbs or something to that nature, but it's still very much functional. Telescopic 3-point arms back here. Has the standard 540 PTO. Rear hydraulic hookup back here. Looks like the lid on the toolbox is missing. It's a nice clean tractor, and again, it does have a couple scuffs on top of the hood here, but overall a nice looking tractor. Does have the gear transmission. The shuttle is located here to the left, so this lever right here operates your forward and reverse. High-low range here behind that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 here in the center. Gives you a total of 8 forward and 8 reverse gears. 3-point hydraulic and PTO are located to the right. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. We have approximately 150 tractors on our yard. You can check out our inventory at massedtractor.com. If you have any questions, please contact us.